Good morning, guys. How are we? I don't know if you can hear me, but good morning. How are we? Let's have a little cappuccino right now. Plan of action today is keep it on a positive note, because video started off real bad, but now let's start off real positive, shall we? Get the video good and rolling. Excuse me, Snail. Can you get off the beamer, please? Because it's not allowed to be on it. Don't worry, that's only water leaking there, because the cooling bottle there's a hole in it. Yeah, but anyway, skip to the point I'm going to be saying. Let's keep it a positive vibe. I have a client coming today and an X5, and he wants us to put lowering springs in it. So that's what we're going to do. Harry's going to come out and help me as well. Let's start the beamer. First I need to find the keys. Let's start her. Give her a cold start. It's been a while, hasn't it? Full house now. Look at all the alloys and the whole lot. My washing machine, bit of airsoft, alloys for days. Fucking hell, so many alloys. What the hell? Lexus, Subaru, BMW. This is where I'll be sleeping, boys. Look at that. Chairs, tools. Main bad boy here. Golf is out here too. Fuck that Mini. It's nice, but shut up. It's cool, I like it. But she changed her alloys. I liked when she had the deep dish ones. It suited her. Hi. How are you doing?
I'm wonderful. Never been better.
Good old wardrobe to get here. Before I start doing the car, you know, I'm gonna put a little message out here, you know, because I do miss her like mad. I do. But the thing is, missing her, I've like in the mornings it's so hard to get out of bed. Like I didn't go gym for like what was that, a week straight or something like that. A week straight because I was there's nobody here with me, you know. Coming home, nobody's there for me. It's one of the hardest things ever. Like, well, I thought she'd be the one, you know, but missing her doesn't mean I have to text her every day, you know. We ended on good terms, but at the same time, I got pissed at something else. It doesn't matter anymore, but texting her every day is make it worse. So I think I'm gonna have to stop texting her, like, you know, and start doing car stuff, you know, and gym stuff. Just be me, I guess. Even though I'd do anything for her, I would. Guess what? Guess who got the last I love you more quote? Obviously me. So much for them saying you're the one, you're to ride or die till the end, you know. So I won that battle. I love you more. Oh, that's so sad, guys. I'm sorry. Right, enough of the negative energy. Let's get on to the X5 once it arrives. I'm just sitting in the Beamer now, you know, thinking about what will I do, the Golf first or the Beamer? Put it actually in the comments. Will I get the Beamer out first, or will I get the Golf out first, or will you spray the Lexus and get the Lexi out? I don't know which car to do first. Or the 200 SX. Forget it, start putting spoilers on it, spraying it and stuff. Oh guys, put in the comments right now which car I should bring out first. Start working on properly, like, you know. Well, not bring out first, but Golf's gonna take a lot of time actually. I was looking at it the other day, like, it's gonna be a while. So same with the Beamer, I have to do a whole full engine change. Golf has a few things to do to it as well. So put in the comments anyway which car I should do first. And why'd you turn your lights on? Drive forward. Man doesn't even know how to turn off the handbrake. Fuck's sake, Harry.
No, she hasn't moved at all.
No?
No.
It looked like it. Boys, you haven't seen it, have you? Have you haven't seen it yet? Right, ready? You ready? Yeah. Look. There. Look at the actions. Holy shit. Delivery has arrived, my princess. Went to the place you love as well. Yeah. You ready for the reaction? You ready? Yeah. He's all ready. Look at me. On. Is it? You ready? You looking at me, yeah?
Yes, I am. What are you doing? What the fuck happened to your head?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Yeah, that's it. You ready? You ready to see? Huh?
That's it.
The first one that's like, what the hell?
It looks like your back getting bumped in the nail. Let me see.
What's your reaction? You ready? Yeah. Huh?
When did you put it?
Yesterday. You haven't seen yet.
Huh?
You haven't seen yet.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. You ready? Look at me, yeah? You watching me, yeah? Look what I did. Oh
God, you actually did it.
Yeah. Yeah?
That's it.
That does. Yeah?
What the fuck? No! No! Oh my. Ah!
Yeah.
No!
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Wait there. You looking at me, yeah? You ready?
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Oh, you're bald.
No, I'm not bald. Look at that, the X5 there now. It's lowered and everything. I didn't get any pictures of it, but client is happy with it right now. Can I even zoom in? Phone? Hello? Oh, there we go. Yeah. She's lowered on the back with the bags and in the front with the springs now. Yep, she's lowered. I think I got enough people's reactions. So I think it's time to show you lot what everybody was saying. Oh my god. Yeah, so you ready? Oh my god. Oh shit. What did I do to myself? I went for the buzz cut. Yep. Rate my hair now in the comments, guys. What do you think? Do I stick with it or not? I'm getting 50-50 like remarks on it. So some people are saying I look like a 30-year-old dad now, even though I'm 29. I ain't no dad. Others are saying I look younger and they like it. Some of the girls were like, holy shit, I like the new look in the gym, like. And others are saying it is a nice touch up, and then others are saying that it's more manly, you know. So back to Eastern European, you know, you're looking like a proper Eastern European, you're all this kind of stuff. So I don't know, put it in the comments, guys. What do you think? Is it, should I keep it or do I go back to my blonde? I don't know, let me know. So if you like this video, there's more stuff to come, maybe, I don't know. It's been a shit week, as you can see in the video, but for now, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.